Ladies and gentlemen, my new favourite tool. I've invested in a Clarke combined punch and edge setter, or joddler or joggler, whatever you want to call it. Basically, this bit is a punch and you can use it to make all the holes for plug welding, save drilling them. And then that bit is for joggling edges, so that you can put a step in a panel and then slide one behind the other, so that when you weld it, you're not doing a butt joint between two edges where it's really easy to burn a hole or just generally linish it flat, lose all your strength. You can actually weld into a groove and then linish it flat, and you'll get a much nicer repair. But yeah, I've just been playing with this. It's going to speed up the prep work massively. Ta-da! Nice clean hole, no nasty burrs. I won't be continually breaking drill bits either. Just as an example of how the other bit works. Look how quick that is. I mean, I'm doing it one-handed. I haven't got a nice straight edge. I'm just doing it for the camera really and having a bit of a play. But you get the idea. So basically, if this was your repair panel, you could put a nice step in it, slide it up behind the cut-off original panel, and then weld onto that surface. So when you linished it flat, you would never have blown a hole anyway, because you've got lots of lots of metal for that heat to dissipate into. But also, you're not gonna lose the strength so much. So yeah, pleased with this. I'm going to, at some point, weld this wing onto the diesel, but yeah, it should be that most of this panel I'm going to have really good access. So, nice hole. I'm not going to do any more than that because I need to go and look at my repair manual and work out the spacing intervals for the spot welds. Then I'll mark it with a pen and then just go pop, 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 pop. Usually I drill my plug weld holes a little bigger than that. Particularly if I'm going through onto 2 or 3 pieces of 1 mil, or onto like a big chassis member, because I want the weld running for more time to get good penetration into that panel on the back. So depending on what I'm joining together, I might actually go through with a drill afterwards anyway and open these up to about, I don't know, 7 mil. I think this punch is about 5. But yeah, certainly going to speed up the process. I wish I'd had this when I did that sill, because it would have taken hardly any time at all. But yeah, for replacing panels, like if I was to put a repair section on there, that's when I'd use the edge setter. Then my new panel could sit on the top or poke up behind. Nice seam weld. Yeah, good. Can't wait to use it in anger.